5 Masters Sunday ride. All right. Mi héroe, ¿cómo se siente?
Estoy despierto.
Arturo, ¿todo bien? Carlos. Bien. Los héroes. ¿Qué tal, Frank?
30 miles by myself. You assholes left me.
That's because you don't show up on time.
All of you.
You have to show up on time. You know? Okay, technical difficulties. Frank again, as in San Antonio. Just a flat tire this time, nothing major.
That's not very narrow.
We'll catch him. I think we'll catch him. Nah? Mon is gonna pull all the way.
Very disappointed.
Well, second flat of the day. Mon,
Really, Cesar?
you're a star. Okay, thank you. Now, we're stopping here not because of Mon's flat, but because I needed to stop. So I give you that. Almost finished. That's right. It was hard. There we have Rick, almost at the end. Go Frank. How are you, Mon? Frank? Look at that. All right. Rosie. Good. It was a good ride. 5 Masters Sunday ride. Today is April the 30th. Nice ride.